guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Little Aradhya, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to work on my favorite part 4, my favorite .com. We are making this website. You have to see latest video, like our previous video, to understand what we are doing today. We are using codepen.io to make these basic websites. So let's begin. So in today's video, we are going to implement and what we have learned in previous videos, and add more features, functionality to the website we are making. So let's go to the website. So here's it. So we have done a lot of work in it. Like you can see here, there's image, buzzing feature, all. If I click on my favorite book or my inspirations, it goes to the section of my inspiration. We have to code for it. It doesn't go like that only. And we will create more sections, this buzzing effect on the images, and how to add links, how to add what we say, a map in the like what we say, in the website, and how to add your email id. So let's begin. Okay, I'm very excited for today's video. So I will not tell you the basics, like where you have to open HTML, then head, then title. We are not going to tell you guys that, because it's the most basic part. If you don't know this, please go check out our previous videos. So you're gonna you know understand what we are doing today. So first, open how to add menus. I'm going to tell. Open ul tag class menu. The class is menu. Then li class link. Okay, we have certified what it is. It's menu. Li class equals to links. Then open anchor tag. Then href hashtag welcome hashtag. Oh, sorry. The tag should be closed, and after that, just line it call anchor tag, and li class should be closed. So closing a tag is very important. Do not forget that. And one more thing, guys. Sorry for the background noise. And we have to do this for all this five. This five menu bars. We have to code like that only. And at the end, we will just close BR, HR, section, and all that. We know how to add an image, we know how to add a section. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how to work on the section called my inspirations. My inspiration is Swami Vivekanand. If it is yours, like Albert Einstein or anyone else, you can just name it. Okay, so I have created a section called my inspirations, where I have told about my inspiration, who's my inspiration, a lot about my inspiration, and the Wikipedia, the link, okay, to the Wikipedia. So this is a buzzing effect happening on the image when my cursor is touching the image. Okay, so one more thing, for this effect we have to code. For the for this writing, for this line, we have to code. You all know that. So first, open a section id called inspirations, then h for my inspiration. So what is h for the title? For any title, we use h4, h5, h6, okay, as number, as wise. Okay, div class equals to line. I have told you many times, to add any line in the web page, we just have to use div class equals to line. Okay, after that, div class line. After that, we are just writing src Wikipedia. Okay, the Wikipedia, src, just write src Wikipedia. Then after that, we have to give the image. Okay, here's the Wikipedia. If I click on it, it goes to the Wikipedia website, but we have to cover it with the image, no, so it will look good. And we will be seeing who's Swami Vivekanand if a lot of people hasn't seen the image of him. That's why cover image is sr image class equals to image src, the link of the image. Okay, right click, then here should be option of copy link address. Just click on it and paste it here. Okay, after that, h1, write a lot of about Swami Vivekanand, who was him, and a basic information, like Swami Vivekanand was born in Narendranath Datta, was an Indian monk, and all that things. Okay, and after that, a anchor tag. So a is a short form of anchor. So anchor class equals to picture. href, then the Wikipedia, the link of the Wikipedia. If you don't know how to copy the link of Wikipedia, let me tell you, let me like show you. No, so just write Swami Vivekananda. Sorry about that. Just write Swami Vivekanand, like here, Swami Vivekanand. As you can see here, Swami Vivekanand, Indian monk. Yeah, excuse me. So you can see here the Wikipedia of Swami Vivekananda is shown. Now I will also tell you how to copy the link of Wikipedia, the website. Just click on the link, the first link. So this is the link. This is how we copy the link of any site, any website. Okay, just copy this, like right click, then copy. Okay, and after copying, just paste it right here on the code. This is that is how easy it is. Okay, and after that, close the section, all things like close the section tag, br tag, hr tag, and all the tags. Then open a new section called my favorite book. My favorite book. Okay, this is a section I've done a lot of designing. I'll make a another video on the css part of the this thing of my favorite part 4. So yes, my favorite book. Open a section id equals to my favorite book, then h1, the heading should be my favorite book, then h1 close, div class line, the same format should be in all ids, in all the sections it should be used. All this is the same format, so just remember it. Then h2, click to view my favorite book. Okay, so if I click on this, if I click, so you can see it goes to Mahabharata, Wikipedia of Mahabharata. Okay, so yeah. Okay, this is my favorite book. If your favorite book is Harry Potter or any Hellbound or anyone, so just copy the link and the cover image as we did in the earlier in the Swami Vivekanand. Okay, so yes, this is how we do it. Then we have opened a span tag, anchor tag, href, the Wikipedia link of Mahabharat, the Wikipedia of Mahabharat. Then src, the image. Okay, the image, then the cover image is the link. Okay, so after that, close all this Mahabharat and open a new section called contact, where we have to put the what we say, the map thing. So you will be thinking, how to put a map, how to put a map in the website. So let me tell you, it is very easy. It is like very easy. So I'm gonna search any place, like city, place, country, or anything. So I'll just like Mumbai, and yeah, as you can see, Mumbai. And after that, we have this section called map. Okay, we have this map thing. Just click on it. Okay, I'm really sorry, it's taking a lot of time. I'm really sorry. So yeah, so as you can see, this Mumbai, we will just click on the share button at the last, like you can see share one. Just click on it. Just click on it, and you will be having this send a link, and the second option is embed a map. So embed is basically the copy the link, so it would be shown into the website, into other websites. Okay, so just copy this html, click on this copy on html, and just paste the whole thing in here. Okay, after contacts, just add a line, then add this map. How we add, like src should be in everything, for adding a map, for adding any picture, for adding any video, for adding anything. Okay, from another website or another platform to anything to your website. Okay, and after that, everything is easy. Close the iframe. Okay, div class email id. So as you can see, here's the email id called get ahana. So you can change it into anyone's email id. Like I'll change it to, I have one more. an email ID which is aradhya.mukku. Okay, this is the email ID. Okay, we will again change it to get dot uk. So yeah, as you can see here, this work is done. We'll just go down and see. It's called get aradhya.mukku. Oh, what I've done. No, there shouldn't be any dot or get. What did I did, man? So as you can see, it's right now. It's right, as you can see, I'm having my Gmail ID down here. We have this small, small line also. So which is Fafa envelope. Fafa, what is Fafa envelope? It's basically for adding any email ID. We have to use Fafa envelope. So if I click on it, radhe.mukku@gmail.com, anything will not be appeared because it is not appropriate to work on anybody's email ID, so it will not work. So I hope you like today's video. If you do, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Little Aradhya. And yeah, so I hope you like today's video. It was very useful, and first of all, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so bye, tata, and hope you like today's and enjoy, and a little bit get to know how to make a website and how to code basically. Okay, so bye bye, tata, I hope you like today's one. Bye.